How to unblock on Grindr. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can block someone on the Grindr app. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. As you log into your Grindr account, you'll come to the browse section like this. Now before showing how you can unblock a particular person, let me show you how you can block them. So in order to block anyone, you can simply tap on their profile. It will open their profile. Now you will find this circular icon on the top, tap on it. As you do that, you will get two options. You can either block the user or report them. Since we are trying to block them, tap on block user and then confirm it by tapping on yes. As you do that, the particular person will be blocked. Now in order to unblock the blocked person, tap on your profile on the top left. Then after tap on settings at the bottom. Now scroll below and go to the security and privacy section. Under this, you will find unblock users option, tap on it. Then it will show a list of all the people that you have blocked on the app. Now on the top, you will find this unblock all option. If you want to unblock all of the blocked people, you can simply tap on it. Otherwise, if you want to unblock a single person, then tap on the person's profile. Then after, you will get the option to unblock. Tap on unblock and the particular person will be removed from the list and will be unblocked. So in this way, you can easily unblock on Grindr. That's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.